If you guys follow me on social media, you guys saw that I bought the iPhone XR, and actually on the same day, I got my iPhone X replaced right over here because I was having a few issues with it. So that was not the part of the story. But the thing was that once I picked up this new XR, I got a new tempered glass screen protector from Spigen. Now, this is one of the easiest, most perfect installations I've ever had, and it's because of this new easy fit GLAStR thing they have. It's amazing. So just let me show you the results here. Try to focus. Look at how perfect that fit is, and it covers the screen exactly. Like sometimes when you do it by hand, it's a little bit to the right or left, and you're not getting the screen covered completely. On this, it is absolutely bang on perfect. And it took me zero effort. It was very easy and no bubbles, no issues. And the best part is, it's not like this is really expensive or anything. This is, I think it was $12. It's definitely cheaper than the stuff you could get at the mall. So I know a lot of people use the Zag one because that has lifetime warranty and things. But for $11 and the perfect fit with zero effort, I think this is a way better deal. So let me just show you how it's done on my iPhone X, since this one does not have a tempered glass screen protector. So let's pull this out and let me show you guys what it's like inside the box, because it's really interesting. So this is the first time I've actually used this. Second time obviously, but this is the first time I've experienced it recently. So you get something like this. So you get two of these and a bunch of this stuff. So these are two tempered glasses, so you do get two in one. So it essentially costs you about $5 to $6 for one of these. So I'm gonna put one to the side, and this is the installer. This is the applicator, and this is the installer, like the applicator. So I'll show you guys this later. You get a bubble remover. You get instructions on how to do this. You get two of them just in case you lose one of them, and you get cleaning supplies so that the screen is perfect when you go to apply this. Now, if you guys can notice, I actually still have the brand new plastic on this since I never bothered to take care of it. So let me just open this right up and let's get to installing this. And how you install this is actually really simple too. All you have to do is place it down onto the screen like this, like put your phone down like this. You'll have the clear indications of what to do. So step one right here says remove film, then put it on the film, and this is designed perfectly to have the iPhone X sit in it. So it has the cutouts for the buttons. At the bottom it has bottom and top it has the holdout and everything. Then step two, you press slide and then you remove the sticker over here. So let me just give you guys a full demonstration of what it's like to do it. So now I don't think I'm gonna have to do this, but if you guys are doing it, definitely make sure to completely clean the screen, no contaminants, nothing. All right, so let me start off. That is always a very satisfying feel. All right, let me put this off to the side, and all right, my screen there is a little bit of dust here and there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the provided cleaning supplies, and let's clean this out. So I'm just going to use a wet wipe that they have provided, and what you want to do is just give it a nice thorough clean. Make sure there's no dust, no contaminants, no anything on it, because that will, if there is anything on it, you'll be able to see it under your screen protector, which sucks. So there we go. Perfect. All right, now that the screen is perfect, let me just give you guys a close-up of this. You guys can see it's almost like zero anything on it. All right, now what you're going to want to do is very simple. Place the phone upright like this once you have removed this film. So step one, remove the film. All right. Place the phone like this onto the case. Press it down. All right, now flip it over. And what you want to do is, like it guides you through here, step two, you want to press and slide it down just to make sure it's down on there. All right, and then after 30 seconds, you're supposed to remove. So wait about a couple of seconds, make sure everything is pressed down, and then slowly remove the sticker. There you go. And what you're going to do is just press from the center here, lift off, and there you go. The tempered glass top part is installed. Now you see this massive bubble here. So what you want to do is there's one more layer. Peel this off, and you guys can see there's that one big bubble there. All you want to do is take the included squeegee thing. So let me just zoom in here so you guys get a better look of what it's like. There you go. You guys can see it now. All right. So all you want to do is take the squeegee, slowly apply pressure outwards. So wherever the bubbles are, just apply outwards. So you saw it in just one quick motion, it's done, and it looks absolutely perfect, like unbelievably good. It looks so professional. It's like it came like this from the Apple factory. Amazing. All right, so let me just show you guys with the screen on. You guys can see just how perfectly it covers every edge. And I've been applying these tempered glass screen protectors for a long time. I've never really paid anybody to do it. I just buy them and put them on my own for everybody in my family as well. So I have a lot of experience with it, and this is by far the easiest and most, it's the best finish I've ever gotten. Not just the easiest. The easiest part is just the icing on the cake, but look at that finish. Not one bubble, and it looks like it's $1,000. So really, really nice. So if you guys have an iPhone XR, XS, XS Max, or 10, definitely recommend the Spigen Easy Fit for you guys, because look at the finish. You don't even need to know anything to do this. If you can follow instructions, you're going to be able to get this perfect, and your phone will look great, and you'll save a lot of money as well, and of course your phone's going to stay protected. So that's it for this one, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this installation, and if you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. I will have links to this down in the description below, so if you want to buy this for the 10, 10S, 10R, those will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I'll catch you in the next one.